Good morning everyone. I am back with your English speaking video for class 3rd. We are going to learn pronunciation today. We are going to learn new 15 words along with their pronunciation, right pronunciation. So let's get started with our class. So our first word is wrench. Wrench. Here W is silent, so we pronunciate, the right pronunciation of this word is wrench. Then genre. Many of the people call it wrong, pronounce it wrong. They call it as genre or genre. No, the right pronunciation of this word is genre. 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 Then our third word is turquoise. Turquoise. Here R is silent, we have to pronounce it like turquoise. So the right pronunciation of this word is turquoise. I hope you understood it. Then the most common word is orphan. Many of the students call it as orphan. No, this is not the right pronunciation. The right pronunciation of this word is orphan. Orphan. For what you all have to remember it, that the right spelling of the word is this and the pronunciation is this. This is not the right spelling. This is not the right spelling I am telling you. I am telling you the right pronunciation of these words. The right pronunciation of these words are this: orphan. Orphan, where R is silent. Next word is kindergarten. Kindergarten. No, we call it as kindergarten. No, this is wrong. Kindergarten. Kindergarten. So we have to pronounce it like kindergarten. Understood? Then our next word is infant. Infant. We call it as infant. No, we should call it as pronounce it as infant. I hope you understood the right pronunciation of these words, which are very common in day-to-day life. Now our next word is knuckle. Knuckle. Here K is silent, so we have to pronounce from N, like knuckle. Knuckle. Then mustache. Mustache. Mustache means मूछे. So many of the students pronounce it wrong. Mustache. No, not tach. It is not ch, it is sh. So mustache. Mustache. Then subtle. Subtle is a wrong pronunciation. I know many of the students just pronounce the way it is looking like, but here T is silence. Then we call it as subtle. 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 Here B is silent. I'm sorry, B is silent. So subtle. Our next word is construction. Construction. Many of the students pronounce it as wrong. Constructions. Construction. No. Construction. Constructions. So this is the right pronunciation and this is the right spelling of the words. Please do not mismatch. This is only the right pronunciation, that how we have to pronounce it. हमें कैसे इसका सही उच्चारण करना है वो इस तरीके से यहाँ दिया हुआ है. So construction. Our next word is mischievous. Mischievous. We call it as mischievous. Mischievous. Then next word is receipt. Many of the students pronounce it wrong, as it seems like P is there. Receipt. We call it as receipt, which is very wrong. The right pronunciation of this word is receipt. Receipt. P is silent here. This is the very common word which we pronounce wrong. So we have to say it like receipt. Receipt. Next word is menu. You should call it as menu. 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 Many of the students call it menu. No, this is wrong. Menu. Then the most common word is bowl, which we call it as bowl, which is very wrong. We have to pronounce the right pronunciation, which is bowl. Then our next word is candidate. 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 So these are the words given here. What you all have to do is you have to practice it speaking. Then when you start practicing it in your daily life, definitely you get the right pronunciation of these words. But for that you have to practice speaking right pronunciation of these words. I have given you the right pronunciation also. Just practice it, and then definitely you will get the right pronunciation of this word in your daily life. I hope everybody has understood these words and their pronunciation. What you all have to do is practice these words, and in your daily life also you just have to try to pronounce the right words. Pronounce the words correctly. Then only you get the right pronunciation of the words. Only speaking English is not enough. You have to pronounce the words correctly also, and that you get only from practice. So this is it for this class now. I hope you understood the topic and you practice it. So I'll see you in another class. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.